Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Duo mobile accounts to a new phone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Duo mobile accounts to a new phone, begin by ensuring your old phone is accessible. Download and install Duo Mobile on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Duo Mobile app on your old phone. In the app, go to the Settings menu. Look for an option labeled Backup Accounts or Transfer Accounts. Follow the prompts to create a backup of your accounts. You may need to choose a password or PIN for the backup. Once the backup is created, find the option to send the backup to your new phone. You can typically do this via email or by using a secure link. On your new phone, open the email or the secure link to retrieve the backup. Follow the instructions prompted by the Duo Mobile app on your new phone. When asked, enter the password or PIN you set for the backup. The app will then begin restoring your accounts from the backup. Allow a few moments for the restoration process to complete. Once done, verify that all accounts have transferred by checking each account in the app. If any accounts are missing, you may need to set them up manually using QR codes from your service providers. After confirming that all accounts are present, you can safely uninstall Duo Mobile from your old phone. You have successfully transferred your Duo Mobile accounts to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.